Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Check that your PC runs Windows 10 Pro, Enterprise, or Education, and that the OS build is 18305 or newer. Next, reboot into UEFI/BIOS and enable virtualization. Intel VTX or AMD, this unlocks hardware assist. Once done, sign into Windows and open Control Panel, then Programs and choose Turn Windows Features on or off. This is the exact dialog where Sandbox appears. Follow on-screen prompts to continue. Make sure to keep administrative privileges for the next step. Once you're back, locate and tick Windows Sandbox in the Windows Features list, then accept and reboot when requested. That typically finishes the install. Alternatively, open an elevated PowerShell and run Enable Windows Optional Feature Online Feature Name Containers Disposable Client VM All, then restart. After install, use a WSB file to customize behavior, map a host folder, enable vGPU or disable networking when needed. These files instruct Sandbox how to launch, so make careful adjustments and save with a WSB extension before launch Windows Sandbox from the Start menu and treat it like a disposable VM. Copy in installers, test software, then close the window to destroy the session and its files. Make sure Windows Update is current because Sandbox inherits host security patches. If Sandbox fails to start, first check that Hyper-V and virtualization are enabled, and then examine group policy or domain policies that may block it. In managed environments, IT may need to allow the Containers Disposable Client VM feature. Restart after changes and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.